Hi, it is day 7 and we woke up to a nice cool morning. It's about 60 degrees. Well, it's actually midday. For us it might be morning, but for some it might be afternoon. We had a nice time last night just staying up and talking and playing games. We like to play Yahtzee and Uno and Chenga. I don't know what games you like to play. Go ahead and comment below if you bring any games with you on vacation, but those are our staple 3 is Yahtzee, Uno, and Chenga. Please don't forget to subscribe. It is free to subscribe. There's no charge whatsoever. And go ahead and like and comment. It really helps me out. It helps me grow my channel. I really appreciate it if you do. We're still in Mackay, Idaho. As you can see, the mountains, they're getting some rain and smoke. It's a combination of both because yesterday we couldn't smell the smoke. Today I can smell the smoke. But as I'm talking to you right now, it's raining on me. I don't know if you can see the little wet spots from the drizzles, which is good because I really like it. It does get my allergies going though, so I do sniffle. Oh well, such is life. It is what it is. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. Depending on how much rain it is, we might just stay in. We were talking about driving up to go see a mine that's up in the hills back that way that you can see, but I don't know. We'll see. So come along. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will get back to you, hopefully from the mine. Taylor and I are taking a nice off-road trip up to the mine, and it's raining. Huh? You having fun? Mm-hmm. We have a buffalo behind us. Teddy, come here. Come here. Maybe he'll come right between us. I don't know. He's our little adventure dog. He likes to go running in mountains. No. Oh, you got something to drink? She wants to show you her Gatorade. She loves to drink Gatorade. Teddy, come here. Come here. Ah, see, there's Teddy. He's all excited because he knows he's going to go running. We are up in the mountains above Mackay at the White Knob Historic Mining Site. Hopefully we won't get rained on too bad. Because it was sprinkling on us when we were driving up. You can ride ATVs up here if you'd like. So glad I wore my sweater. It's cool out. It is really cool out. Oh, there's people in the background, so if you hear some chitter chatter. Go ahead and flip it. So you can see the area. It's gorgeous. Really came up here for a perfect day. I think there's another mine up here too that I've been to that did copper. Well, there's a bunch of copper there now, but there's gold and silver that they mined. Go see if we can walk into this building. Look at that view. What does that say? The Custer Tunnel and Compression Plant. There's a sign over there. With an aspen tree growing in the center. There's the mine. Entrance to the mine. Okay, there's a danger sign. Warning. Oh. Okay. Plus there's probably bats in there. I don't want to encounter a bat. I guess I do have my hair up, so it's not that big of a deal if I did. But I don't feel like getting a rabies shot. Oh, the sun came out. Just a beautiful area. So I recommend coming up here if you can. So there's Mackay below us from the scenic view. We really wanted to go see the trolley, not the trolley, excuse me, the mill up at the top of the mountain. We had been up there a couple times and I guess they have it closed off now, which is unfortunate for us because I can't take you with me. This is considered in the Chalice National Park for us. And these are the tramway towers. You can actually see these structures going all the way up the mountain, which is pretty cool. Let me bring this down here so it don't fall. Here's the structure. So you see these trolleys that they have going all the way up the mountain for the ore carts, which I can't even imagine. I mean, these ore carts, I think some of them were like a couple thousand pounds. To have to go ahead and use them like a tram trolley. Maybe you can see them out in the distance there. I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see it. Here's a good diagram. I was trying to see if it had maybe so there's 36 port towers constructed in 1917, so they're over 100 years old. That's amazing. So you can see the towers. And there's Taylor giggling in the background, always giggling in the background. Whoops. Where'd we go? Oh, there we go. Sorry. And it's starting to sprinkle again, so I think we're gonna go ahead and head home. So that way we don't get stuck in the rain. Oops. Getting rained on. There we go. Now you can see me. I was like, which is the best angle? I wanted to try and show you the stars. There's my Taylor. She's freshly showered. We're at the end of day 7. Our vacation is getting over with. What do you think about that?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, we gotta go home. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start shivering. It's 42 degrees out here.
I'm a little nervous.
Okay, that's fine. You can be nervous. There was a really big thunderstorm, electrical storm with some lightning and thunder while we were eating dinner. So we left the mine and it continued to drizzle and rain. And so we just stayed in the house. Sorry, I just started shivering. Okay, don't do that. You're wiggling the camera.
Okay.
And so it finally stopped raining just a little bit ago, but it's 42 degrees out. And I thought, hey, let me go see if you can see some stars up there. Oh, wait. Sorry, blonde. Let me reverse it. Oh my gosh. Tells you how tired I am. Oh, you can see one little star twinkling. One little star twinkling. At least it cleared out the smoke. Excuse me. So that's good. It's definitely fresh, clean, cool, crisp air because I'm freezing. 42 degrees. It's August. Okay, I'm gonna go. If there's anything interesting tomorrow, I might do a day 8 vlog. I'm not sure. I mean, we're gonna be driving home on the I-15 and it's probably at least a 10.5-hour drive. Sorry, my mouth is gonna start chattering. So if we do get anything interesting, maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. I don't know. If not, this is the last day of our Idaho vacation. Did you have fun, Taylor?
Yes, I want
Do you
to
want
come back.
You will come back to Idaho?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. My teeth are chattering. Bye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Oh, I completely forgot to tell you that it smells like skunk out here. There's definitely some skunks out here. And there's my Taylor giggling. Sorry. Gotta go.